Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to model the Ford Fiesta using Blender. First you have to install Blender in your machine. Then when you start Blender, this is the layout. So you have to go to the front view. So you go to view, viewpoint, then front. You can delete the default cube by pressing X. You delete it. Then you have to bring your reference images. My reference images are in files. You can drag and drop, but also you can use Shift A, go to image, reference. Mine are in downloads. Front, you load it, and that is the reference image for the front view of the Ford Fiesta. You can scale it to your size of choice. Then you set it at the center, save it. Then go to the side view. Go to the side view by pressing view, viewpoint, right. Again, Shift A, can import your reference, side, that is the side view. You can resize it to your size of choice. Like that. You save it as side view, just side. Then you can go to the top view, viewpoint, top. Again, Shift A, image, reference, top, and that's it. You can rotate it so that then you can scale it and bring it to the center. Like that. Then you save it as top. For the back view, go to viewpoint, back, then Shift A, image, reference, back, that is the back. Okay, so I resize it. And save it as back. You are seeing the front because it's directly opposite to the back. Now I want away so that we can hide the front view just a bit. Yeah, and that's it. So from there you can start with any kind of, so you have to reduce the transparency by selecting perspective, then opacity, and you reduce it so that it will be distinct when you are modeling. You go to the front. Let the back just be there. To front. Yeah, that's the front. I've hidden the back. Select opacity, then you reduce it. You go to top. That's the top. Let's resize it a bit. Yeah, like that. And select opacity, then you reduce. Then you have to go to the side view, viewpoint. It was right. And also you can see that we have shortcuts. Shortcut for side view, you can click numpad 3, and for top numpad 7, front numpad 1, left control numpad 3. For right, it's here. You can resize the image. First place it at the center, then you scale it. Just make it a bit larger, like that. You reduce the opacity, like that. From there, I have saved my images in Blender, each one matching each name matching its view. We have back, we have front, we have side and top. So we want to make the images such that they are not interfered with when we are doing our transformations. Maybe we are dealing with back, we only deal with back alone, front alone, side and top. So you have to select this icon here. You select here, then for side you can press that one to disable its accessibility, so you cannot transform anything here. Even if it's rotation, nothing will happen here. You do the same to others, like that, like that. we go back to the front view. That's it. Let me first disable for the back so that we can align it at the center like that. Then we can enable disable accessibility. But go to the front first. Yeah. While at the front, you bring in a cube. Add a cube, you can add it from here or just clicking Shift A, go to mesh, select cube, and this is our cube here. Resize the cube like that. Then press tab to go to the edit mode. From there you right click and you subdivide the cube. The cube is divided into 4 portions. We go back to object view by pressing tab. Then you want to add some functionalities, some features to the cube. The mirror feature. The mirror feature will help us in drawing or modeling the car so that we can only model one side and the other side is reflected on the other side. Yeah, so to add the mirror feature, you have first to select the cube. You go to the settings of the cube here, add modifier, then you go to mirror feature. Select the mirror feature here. Yeah, that's the mirror feature. You have to select bisect so that you deal with just one half of the side of the cube and the other half is reflected. Then you have to enable this one here and also toggle this one so that the cube is a bit transparent and you can see the view of the car. And that makes it easier to model. From there, you press Ctrl 2. You go to the edit mode first. Yeah, you can see I pressed Ctrl 2 so that the cube appears like this. From there, you can click the cube, then you press Alt Ctrl Q to have 4 quadrants view, and that is the view. You can see this is the top view of the car, this is the front view, this is the side view, the back view is somewhere here. By pressing Control, you can view it. Control front view or something like that. So first you have to select, you go back to the edit mode by pressing tab, then you select Control, you select all the vertices, right click and delete all the vertices. Okay, that's it. Then you have to make a new vertex by pressing Ctrl and right click. So for this video you have up to that point. the next part is continued in the next video. Thank you.